Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Celebrate freedom with the tech you love during the Freedom Sale, starting August 8th, sponsored by Intel Core Ultra. Wishlist now to grab amazing deals on laptops, tablets, headphones, and printers. Upgrade your style and tech with the new Pebble SEEQ AI smart glasses, available now for just Rs 9,999. Sale is live, so grab yours today. Experience premium gaming on all your screens with the Omni Plus Smart Console, now available during our live sale. Upgrade your workspace during Flipkart's ASUS AIO Days from 25th to July 29th, featuring sleek and stylish all-in-one PCs starting at just Rs 4,666 per month with up to 12 months no-cost EMI. Experience elite portable computing with the new Redmi tablets, starting from just Rs 16,999. Upgrade your tech today with the powerful Redmi Pad 2 Pro featuring an amazing 12,000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor. Get the Boat Sailor Nav smartwatch with two-way video and voice calling and real-time location tracking for just Rs 5,999. The sale is live now, so grab yours today. Upgrade your personal care routine with Philips Groomings, featuring trimmers, hair dryers, and more, starting from just Rs 649. Upgrade your setup with LG Ultrafine Display Full HD monitors, featuring up to 200Hz and built-in speakers. Grab yours starting from just Rs 4,999 today. Get ready for the launch of the segment's slimmest and lightest Moto Pad 70 by Motorola on August 8th. Stay tuned for the ultimate 5G tablet experience. Get ready for the upcoming ASUS Pad sale starting on the 6th of August at 12 p.m. Tap Notify Me now so you don't miss out. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.